Well, good morning, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on June 29th, 2021. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to a quick video here giving you an update on Yellowstone, as overnight during the day yesterday we did have an earthquake swarm just north of Yellowstone, watching the earthquakes increase over the past month. Looking here, you can see the largest reported 2.2 Yellowstone, but there's also a 3.9 reported yesterday in this swarming region. Now we're looking at 44 earthquakes for the last 24 hours as we speak. But within the last 48 hours, we've seen about 70 earthquakes, as well a couple minor earthquakes here at Mammoth, Wyoming, north of the Yellowstone Lake. Just want to give you a quick show here. The last 30 days, all magnitude for the region. And we are sitting over 13,100 earthquakes for the past 30 days. You can see this is where the last swarm was earlier in the month. And now our swarm has moved northwestward, closer towards Idaho and Montana. Increased pressure up into the Pacific Northwest. Just look at all the earthquakes through Stanley, Idaho, and as well the increasing activity across the Pacific Northwest through Washington and Oregon, and as well British Columbia. Dangerously extreme heat conditions and fires are breaking out. We're going to have to keep an eye on the Wenatchee Reserve through Washington over the next week or so, as these temperatures are set to break records. Just looking at the hotspot region here, just west of Mount Shasta. Now, this is the lava fire, and it is not a lava fire because it's started by lava. It is called the lava fire, but who knows if this fire was actually sparked by gases. It says that it was ignited by lightning strikes. Of course, they have been experiencing a drought, so this was only speculation. But when you've got such an intense fire like this, looking at shortwave imagery here, you can see those hot spots burning right up, smoke billowing away from them. So definitely a dangerous situation across the western United States up into the Pacific Northwest. Just a quick look here at the region that is showing the fire, the lava fire, just east of Weed, California. In this region right here, Google Earth. And as you can see, it is evident that there has been many active flows through the region, and a couple of them are pretty recent with no growth on them. So this is just a heads up, everybody. Yellowstone is a-rockin', and that fire just west of Shasta is becoming a very dangerous situation. Thanks everybody for watching today. This has been Mike with Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. Stay safe, stay aware and prepared. Please share this video with your friends and family from around the world. Much love. Thanks for watching today. Bye-bye.